talk. Me and you have a thing, though. You never can tell, oh. I get full potential inside.
I can't have anything to do with you because all men are dogs. I said it, yes. All men are the same. They are dogs. You see?
Jesus.
You're short of words, Sabi. You don't have anything to say.
Viewers, let's watch this. Baby girl, wait. Come.
Okay, what's the meaning of this?
Me, I be goat.
What's up, my people? On a day, it's your boy OBIKING, and welcome back again to another episode of my comedy reaction. Please, guys, make sure to watch to the very end because trust me, this video is gonna be a blast. You understand? And if you're coming across my channel for the very first time, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. You understand? So don't play, my people, don't play. Let's go have some fun.
I don't understand what that happened for this country. You can imagine, cost of the living won't finish the living. What did that happen now? We must go to that politician house waiting for street here go protest because I don't understand what that happened for this country. That man must tell us what that happened for this country. Enough is enough. We not go agree. We must protest.
Yes, we will protest. Boss, calm down now. Calm down. One lead now.
You want to do anything?
Boss, I want lead now.
Oh, Mona. How adults go there here, small picking like you saying one lead protest?
Me, my blood, the hot.
If you see in blood, they hot. In blood, they hot. Leave her now.
You sure?
Yes, what could I go?
We not go agree.
We not go agree. We not go agree.
I'm not trusting now.
We not go agree. We not go agree. We not go agree. We not go agree.
Go back to the logo, better for you.
I'm not gonna just wait for you to come. Look, I go follow the politician talk and they come. Who there? Who there?
Go back to you go do person something.
Look, when I went there, they come. No get juice.
Don't worry. When you come tomorrow, I'm going to give you juice.
This man.
Now, what you're going to do for me, you go back there, tell those people to throw their sticks away and go.
When you?
Every morning when you come, I'm going to be giving you turkey and chicken. Okay?
You cannot say be better person. I can put that for your body water.
Move one handicap.
I'm not going to go. I don't talk to the politician. If they're saying go make contract good. Look what I told the stick.
I've been telling you make I lead this protest, you know, agree. Now you don't see her.
Just calm down now. Maybe two of them don't.
Exactly what happened.
See, country go better.
Let's
go. No worry. Nigeria will be great.
You see?
Yeah.
You are a thief. Let's have it.
Photo. Not be juju be that.
People be accept that shock. Bro, even me accept that shock.
Hey, what did they do there?
Wow, Ghana, the five person right at this house.
The man don't go abroad, you hear me? Come on for there.
Yeah, they don't go.
You dey try me? I said, come on for there, come on.
Nice one.
And they never leave. Now come protest. Go satisfy yourself. No, they don't do you for one night. They don't dey cry.
I've kept many of you hungry. We have just started.
I don't understand. Now forced to date you.
Do you want to break out like this?
How they date boy, you lazy work, you know they go, nothing. I told you never amount to anything in this life. I'm tired. Leave me alone. Excuse me.
How man go dey list you the one?
No wahala now. Every disappointment is to also hard.
Waiting my money in, I come to buy. Not ready.
They don't get money. They don't get a car.
Go slow, I'll take a pepe.
Bella be this person no go amount to anything. Na Bella. Man, say I don't amount to something.
You sure say that you get the car?
Hello.
Hi, Prutter.
What fun now?
I'm fine.
Now you tell me say I don't want to anything now. Check out, as I be. I don't also they break everywhere. Don't bust. Where you they go?
I'm going down this road, ma.
You have to go down like that, eh? Hey, guy.
And if you be saying I hear that girl, they come.
Leader, they say we'll gauge this one, gauge your that tire, then we'll set alarm at the car.
Oh, baby.
Baby. How are you?
I'm fine, baby.
Yeah. This is my last boy, Pluto. And this is the surprise I told you about.
Oh my God!
I just bought it yesterday.
Congratulations, baby! So proud of you. Ah, congratulations! So proud of you. Hey, baby, you were saying something last time. Who is this guy?
This is my last boy. Ha! My junior boy in the HK, Pluto.
I think you said you are the owner of this car. Hey! I first talk her before now. I first talk her say, for this life, you never amount to anything.
What?
Rubbish. Baby, I'm so proud of you. Congratulations, sweetheart. And for your information, enter that house. Go pick fuck up or beast for your fuck up. Put her for fire.
We have all been there before.
You're disgraced before.
Baby, I pray for you. Where men go and did not succeed, you will go and you will succeed. Where men go and did not find favor, you will go and you will find favor. Where men go and did not come back, you will go and you will come back.
If it's not foolishness, what is he going there to go and do? Eh? Where men have gone and failed, you are still going there. If men have failed there, don't you know that place is not working? You will leave that place and go to where men are succeeded. Where men go and did not come back. May you go there and you will die there. Iron sponge.
And it's the truth, though.
Good afternoon, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, sir.
Daddy, I told you I'm going to the library and you'll be keeping us waiting.
My son, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I wanted to ask you, what is the name of those people that you say sell cars again?
Jay's Fantasy Autos. They ship to every part of the world. They even buy, sell, and swap cars. They are very authentic and very, very fast.
That one is nice. I'll patronize them. I'm going out. Please help me go to my room and bring my car key.
Okay, Daddy.
Okay.
Hey,
Sure they don't want to stick out.
Omeka Naya. Our wife, how are you now?
No, I'm not our wife. Famous is just my friend, sir.
Just your friend?
Yes, sir.
Man and woman, they be ordinary friends. So, what is now distracting my son?
Sir, I don't understand.
Wait, Ekate! Ekate, come here.
Guy, call me.
Look at this young lady here. Is she not fine?
Yes, sir, she's very fine.
I brought her from the village for my son to marry her. I doesn't like her. She has tried, don't everything. It doesn't give her attention. Why now?
How are they enter this man? What Allah?
Now I promised myself I've sworn that I must marry this girl. Any other girl brings to this house for marriage, I'll shoot the girl gone. Over my dead body, you need marry another girl.
So I think I need to take my leave now.
You want to go?
Yes.
Wait for my son now.
No, sir.
Toby, where are you going to now? What happened?
Famous. So you have somebody that you want to marry, and you're here deceiving me that you love me. God will punish you, Famous. Don't you ever call or text me. I'm done.
I don't have any wife. Toby, come now. Let's go to the library and visit things out now.
Useless library. Better go and take a refund from that useless hotel manager.
Are you serious? Wow.
I am not coming to any hotel. Useless thing. What a shaggy banza.
Toby, where?
Come back here. You are this boy. Ekate, look at this idiot. Someone that my prophet said is going to be a reverend father. God call you, woman, they call you back. You? Get upstairs, not son. Idiot. Get upstairs.
You don't take her, you don't take her.
Yes, now. God call him, woman, they call him back. Come. My in-law, come.
Well, stop.
Very wicked man. I feel black. Wicked.
The girl I'm married, she did.
Your card how much?
500.
500.
What's going on here?
You not have 400.
No, I'm not saving. 500. Oh, yeah, come now.
Which language is that?
Mother, if you need 100 naira for your picking.
Bombastic side eye.
God have mercy upon us.
Hey! What's up? You carry 100 naira home.
This is 2025.
Which kind of person will carry bells snatch my phone? Who does that?
This is 2025.
I am so happy for this.
Thank you.
I have almost forgotten that my brothers are also visitors. I should offer you people.
Okay.
Take your time.
Can you imagine?
This is dangerous.
Wicked guys.
Beautiful moment.
Yes, sir.
You see, the Bible said, "Leko sridima buriko umunde."
You know, I like the way you've been talking about that land. We like to.
No, let him take the land.
He's our elder brother. Drink your drink now.
Yours. Drink your drink.
All of us are going to share.
Yes.
Since whatever that belongs to our father.
Belong to
No problem.
No drink. No, we are.
Cheers. For the good. Cheers.
Generation to use your next generation to drink.
You were drinking before us, and I
have had enough. You know how many cups?
No, we drink. Come. We have to calm down.
You drink. Come. I threw cocaine.
One man, I'll drink. This one you're not drinking. This I'm suspecting you.
This is why you're not drinking the one I offered you. I'm suspecting.
We are suspecting you. You have put something inside this.
I am suspecting you.
Test it.
Oh, yeah, test it.
Okay, you test our own.
Oh, yeah, test it.
You test this one. You test this one now. Easy drink.
They don't trust me. I see that.
More they leave the fake life.
They don't poison themselves. Mumu people. Where the girl dey? She don't disappear.
Kasongo, Kasongo,
Why did you tell me that your wife had miscarriage?
Who had miscarriage?
People are wicked, I just came here. I came now. I saw that Lolo, her belly, flat.
You're hungry. Mazi!
Come.
Mazi, this baby is hungry now. This baby is hungry.
For my mind, I don't get think of you. Calamity from my head.
Hey,
Some selfies.
Okay.
Eat, Eat to your fullest. For you and the baby, The babies.
Stanley, you offended me. Because why did you not tell me that you got a second wife? You now made me to go and be thinking that it's Lolo that is pregnant. Why?
But it's Lolo that is pregnant now.
How can Lolo be pregnant and another woman has belly for her?
Hey! You said you don't know these things. This is surrogate.
Nice to meet you, surrogate. This is her name.
Look how man, it's not surrogate that is her name.
Another person go carry
this
the
is the
belly.
woman that's carrying our twins.
I don't understand.
You know, I've been telling you that we're having twins now. And we went to the hospital. They carry my sperm and all the egg, put it in her belly. She's 1 million.
They don't get money for that. They don't find my way to it.
Are you whining yourself?
Let me use my guy, please. Let me use my guy,
Bros,
please.
I beg. I feel follow you reach bus stop.
No, well, if you follow me.
Thank you.
Yeah, more they go.
Bros, open the car now.
No, be my car be that too. Now my face are they cleaning. Jesus.
Let me you get the car.
You buy car, give me.
Now trek with the trek.
Now trek with the trek, my brother.
Limau. This guy.
Please, where are you going?
I'm just going to drop a few invitations to my friends. I have a new film, Radio Voice, coming out on April 11. Cinemas around Nigeria. It has Nancy Sima, Timini, AME, Inse, myself, and RmD.
Hey, Mr. RmD, what's concerning
Not RmD.
Kokami? You didn't concern me, Kokami. You reached and I said, where are you going? You tell me where you do film, you put Nancy in there, you put him in there. Ever be just in Nancy? How that won't concern me? Okay, you have code, I mean you don't have code. Show me the code. And I open the phone.
This kid here.
488.
Open the book.
Aha.
Waiting be this. Waiting be this.
Access.
Boot, help me close the boot.
I should close the boot. Say my work here include to be closing boot. And you know where Baba Jeo. Say my work here include to be closing boot.
Now you open
Just
up.
help me touch the button.
Yes, as you are saying it, but they say you to get down. You see the button there, you go there, you press it, all them are closed. It's not my work though. Please get down, go and close the boot yourself. You're not the person that will bring big car.
It's not the car. It's just courtesy.
Yeah,
Just
okay.
a courtesy to touch something.
Oh, guys, not my work. Go there and close your book, eh, man. No. Go there and close. If someone look come here, we close boot himself. That can be Wabi, he will close boot himself. I've seen it. I beg you. You want to be blocking the gate.
Okay, you should open the gate now.
Okay, please, what's the time?
It's a few minutes after 5.
Okay, 3 minutes past 5.
Yes.
The code have expired by 5. Jesus! Come on! What's come on? Hey, my dad, mommy, what's come on? Tell them to send another code. The time you're supposed to have used to pass here, they are telling you to be closing here for you. Oh, guys, your code have expired. Let them send another code.
I just gave you the code, literally.
Hey, you just give me the code, literally. Mogbo, but I'm really Mogbo. What I'm saying is, call them to send you another code because that code that you gave me before has expired. Now 5 minutes ago.
Can't you just use your discretion?
I don't have.
Apa, relax.
Discretion, I don't have. Reverse.
Let's get a rude one with this.
My babu. It's not like that. Eh? I will give you some leave. So tell them to. You know me.
RmD.
Now, brave me if I say.
Shiri, oh my God, go you. So this is the inside black book.
Yes.
I watch it. In fact, I download it.
You downloaded it. You are not supposed to download it.
Hello, access. You want to give me something? All right, I'll take it. Stop there! You will come back. You will come back, Shaggi. You will come back. Lock the gate.
Husband of the year.
Bye.
Leave me alone now. What's this? Leave me alone. Huh?
I dey follow you talk now. Just listen to
Leave me alone.
Wire and slap now, now by force.
At least listen to what I want to talk first now. Baby girl.
Sleep all around this shit.
See, I don't do all you see. My sleeper said don't know. Just
Oh God, I've told you. Leave me alone now. Why are you following me? Okay, why are you following me?
even myself, I don't even know why they follow you. Just listen, baby girl.
Which kind of obsession with this one? This one obsession, though.
Dissolve! Dissolve.
What did you know now? What did you know? I carry masquerade for face? Baby girl, listen to me now.
What is it? What do you want?
I want your number. Give me your number, make I follow the talk. Me and you have a thing, you never can tell, I get full potential inside.
I can't have anything to do with you because all men are dogs. I said it, yes. All men are the same. They are dogs. You see?
Jesus.
You're short of words, Sabi. You don't have anything to say.
Viewer, let's watch this. Baby girl, wait.
Oh man.
Okay.
You said those goats.
Me, I be goat.
I'm losing composure.
We just read.
I really need to focus.
Hello? Yes? Are you coming or you're not coming? If you're not coming, get out.
Hello, who is this?
Who be the last person who just for Bambi app?
Oh, humble. Will you paste the address now? Hope it's all those fine houses in Lekki.
Azam.
Yeah. Will you pay my transport?
How? Let me pay your transport. Why you being so harsh on me?
If I like it, see this boy. Everything now be
Yeah, what is
so nice. You like it, right? Yeah. Thank you.
This is your restroom.
There, just your left.
Okay. You don't tell me this one.
God have mercy upon us.
Jesus! I don't know, let's say the Christian. I rob, you can't rob, Why go they know? You know go back enter.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Okay.
Yeah, see, just go pick anything where they valuable here. Anything where you know so if you say you bring better money. And you important here.
Alright, sir.
Yeah, they go. Fast. Fast, please.
Okay.
Hold up.
Oh, that needs to be gone one, no. Come leave him.
Leave her. Just collect anything where you can.
Dissolve!
Yeah, Monday, December. Sharp.
Yeah, that's it.
Hello.
5 years of madness.
Can you see your life? Can you see what I do with your life? Your twin sister is inside there and she's earning money legally. Even if you look up, she's doing at least she's not stealing from people. So you're
Nah, she be this, sir.
I swear God will judge you. I swear God will punish you. Please, can you be fast, please?
This man!
I just got robbed. I need to cool off.
Now the same girl will enter your house. Now she can't rob you. You dey here they say can you be fast? You know well. Hey God, which kind of man is this? Okay, so which means but the adverts don't really work because now you are telling us that you chatted this girl on a particular app, and it now happened that that girl is a thief. So no be better ad you do, no be better ad. Like come to think of, let's think of it, in a more genuine way. Let's take for example now you were paid to market that app. She mean a bumbly pay, which you call her. Now you got the girl. The girl was billing you. She said, "Send me. I hope you send me money for transport." You cut her. Then the next minute another person came. It now happened that the person that now came is a thief. So what are you now saying about that app? It means the people that are on that app are thieves. That is what you are portraying. That's what you are making us understand. So which means we should avoid that particular dating app, a chatting app. That is it. So unless maybe you don't understand them like that, but I think that is basically what you are letting us see. Unless I'm wrong. But thanks for watching to the very end, yeah. I really appreciate. What's your favorite part of the video? Because for me, trust me, there's so many interesting parts in this very video. Very interesting parts. You understand? So What's your own? Drop it right in the comment section. And guys, please, if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, make sure to do that. It's very important for the growth of my channel. Share my video and check out my other videos. There's so many videos on my channel. Check them out, guys. And see you in the next one. Peace out. Abi? Peace out.